In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Imagine this scenario. You're deep into a design project in Figma. Everything is flowing nicely, you're in the zone. Suddenly, your finger slips and you accidentally delete a shape, or maybe you moved a frame when you didn't mean to. Your heart races. Panic sets in as you think, I can't believe I just ruined my design. But then, as if a light bulb suddenly flickers on, you realize there's a super simple way to bring everything back. Yes, today, I'll show you exactly how to undo in Figma, step by step. First things first, let's get started. Open your web browser and head over to the Figma official website. Once you're there, select any design file you'd like to work on. This is where the magic will happen. Now, let's create a situation where we would need to use the undo feature. Go ahead and create a shape, maybe a rectangle or an ellipse, and move it around to see how it looks in different areas of your design. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, you can go ahead and delete that shape completely. There you go, you've set the stage for our undo operation. Next, it's time to perform our first undo action. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press the Control key and the Z key at the same time. For those on a Mac, you'll press Command and Z. Did you do it? Now take a moment to watch the magic happen. The moment you press those keys, Figma instantly reverses your last action. If you deleted an object, it will magically reappear. If you accidentally moved something, consider it fixed. But here's the fun part. You can keep pressing Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac again and again. That's right, you can go back through multiple changes. So if you made a flurry of changes and you want to revert several of them, just keep tapping that undo shortcut until everything is back to the way you want it. However, let's say you accidentally undid too much. Don't worry, you can easily redo an action. If you find you want to bring back something you just undid, press Ctrl-Shift-Z on Windows or Command-Shift-Z on Mac. It's as easy as that. For those who prefer using menus instead of shortcut keys, you can always manually undo as well. Simply go to the top left corner and click on Edit, then select Undo from the drop-down menu. So you've got options. Now you might be wondering why the undo function is so crucial in design work. Professional designers rely on the undo feature constantly because, let's face it, mistakes happen. Experiments with your designs occur all the time, and sometimes you need to make some creative changes that just don't work out. The undo feature lets you work faster and with confidence, helping you explore your creativity without fear of irreversible errors. And that's how to undo in Figma. It's a tiny shortcut, sure, but it's one of the most important tools that every designer uses daily. Remember to subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials, and happy designing!